What's up, cunts? Mason the French here, back with another trading video. Alright, so today was a bullshit day. So the way that I mean by that is I thought it was going to be a sell day. I set up my chart, it looked like it was going to be a sell day. Motherfucker did not do a sell day at all. Oh my god. That shit shot straight up and then went down a little, then went up and then went down, and I guess, I don't know. I even checked again to see if I set up the chart correctly, and I did. It's just for some reason it ended up being a buy day today, but I don't know if that's because there wasn't a lot of crazy events going on today. I don't know. Well, also the market is just completely unpredictable sometimes. So it is what it is. No big deal. Let's get into the video. So right when the market opens up, there is a buying candle. You will see this candle go from 0 to 100 real fucking quick. I mean, that just says it all right there. Like, holy shit, why did this candle get so fucking long? The one time I should have fucking impulsively put in a buy. Oh my god, but I didn't even have a buy in thought today because I just wasn't going to put in a buy. But the candle kept fucking pushing, and I'm like, there's no way this candle is gonna go back down. I haven't seen a candle this long before, and it's like, bro, the fucking selling candle didn't do shit, didn't do jack shit. Like, for the first few minutes it just started consolidating, and that's a huge fair value gap, so motherfucker's gonna lock that shit in. It was huge, so it's like, what the fuck am I even doing here? And so right here was when I put in my first sell. I put in my sell right here because I believe that it's starting to go make a downtrend, since look at that huge gap. It's just like unbelievable. But I mean, it just wasn't the right thing to do. I didn't even make it, but I got it down to like a few, well, not to this, but it was at a few hundred before. But then it just switched up on me. Yeah, see, I was down over $100 right there. And then it made a reverse and it went back up to 60 bucks. And then I kept it going some more. And that buying kind of scared me a little bit. See, it even went and right here, it's just, this was where everything went wrong. I thought it was going to keep on going down. But I should have just waited actually longer and respected the process. Because it did a reverse down on me, so I just have to do reverse of the rolls that I do. So I should have put this in as a buy day in my head. Well, now that I'm looking at it, but in the moment I was waiting for that shit to just go right back the fuck down. So that's why I put in a sell, but I definitely should have waited on that. And see, the candle was a buy candle, and it went all the way the fuck up to right here to where I was down 140 bucks or more. And then it comes back in as a selling candle. And then I'm gonna start making some profit right here, and I'm already, look at this shit. I'm already letting this ship to hit the 500 mark. I'm thinking it's gonna hit that long for me. So I'm just waiting on it, but you know, obviously that shit didn't happen. And see what I mean? I'm starting to get excited right here because it's starting to make a downtrend right now. So we're looking good. I'm getting hyped up right now. And then this is when the bullshit happens. Like, bro, I got down all the way over here, and then it made a full complete reverse on me. And it started going up, so I had to put in my stop loss like 50 bucks before. And fuck, this was when I should just gone out of the trade and just kept my profit and then just put in a buying, because that's when everything's just gonna start going up. I mean, it consolidated for a few more minutes, but then the candle just shot straight up right here. And then boom, I'm down $57 just like that. And then see right here, this was when I got pissed because the green candle came in and then it just started going up some more. And I low-key thought about putting a buy in, but I thought it was going to make a downtrend again and make a reverse, and that's when I was going to lose money. But obviously today was a buying day. But see right here, when I was trading, I was glad to see that red candle because I'm like, okay, if I put in that trade, it would have fucked me over. But if I just, well, I mean, you know, your boy had to put in a selling candle because, you know, that's what I thought was going to happen. And I was excited for a second because look how far it went down. It went to 93 bones. And then it made a reverse completely on me to get into the negatives. Huh? And then see right here, you're seeing the downtrend of the sellers coming in and starting to ramp up a little bit. But again, usually what happens with the charts, it's going to go up, or down, up, down. It just makes that kind of pattern sometimes. And so like I said, we're doing okay right here. We're at 40 bucks right now. I'm still thinking it's gonna go down because this buying candle is very weak. So I was looking good right now. And then this is when the bullshit happens. This is when the buyers come into play. it just starts going up, and I'm trying to put my stop loss above my buy-in. It's like I'm trying to stop it from just going up higher. And then this was when everything went wrong. I just thought it was gonna make a reverse from this candle, but no, indeed, Jose. That shit kept going up, and I just said, fuck this shit. I lost $250, and that was the end of my trading day. So that was fucking phenomenal. And on TradingView, I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like a little bit later in the day. So right over here was when I got out of the bullshit, was right over here. So I stopped about 30 minutes into trading, but that's also because I was on a time scale. I wanted to do this, and then I was gonna go work out and then go to work, but I just ended up falling asleep after I did this just because I got tired of it, and I'm like, I don't have enough time to work out anyway, so I just took a nap. So it is what it is. But so this happened for a long time. This consolidated and slowly went down, but it took a while. It took another 30 minutes. So for an hour, I would have just looked at the charts and just seen this. So if I didn't put in a buy in the beginning, that's just exactly when I should have done it. But see, even this, I plotted the chart, and I even have my lines and shit, and fuck, it just didn't even break a sweat on it. But that's why I said when I go over here, look at this whole lot of bullshit again. It's just, oh my god. This, it started at, yeah, and exactly basically an hour right after the market opened. It just made a downtrend all the way down over here. This was kind of when it stopped, 5:57. So almost for an hour, I could have just stayed in the same trade and done absolutely nothing. But this wouldn't have worked for me just because I was asleep. But also, usually in the first 30 minutes, that's when I do best. But it is what it is. I guess some days I should just wait a little bit longer, but I just was getting angsty and I wanted to do in the first 30 minutes. But then for the basically rest of the time, you just saw a complete consolidation for the basically the rest of the day. I mean, I'm sure there was like good ones over here, like maybe over here if you read the charts correctly. This looks like a Head and Shoulders, actually. Never mind, I think I'm just seeing shit now. And then it made a good downtrend right over here at the 1800 mark. But, you know, for the fuck of it. And sadly, after 5 days, my streak has came to an end. Not a big deal, it's okay. We have these days for a reason. So day 16 today was a wonky day. I expected it to be a sell day, but it wasn't. Just from the beginning candle. Again, no impulsive decisions. I stayed in a trade a little too long and lost more money than I thought, but no big deal. I'll just get it back next time. I did put in a trade at somewhat around the right time to sell, but the market eventually went back up, so it probably wasn't even a good selling point since I lost money on it. I just thought it was going to be a good downtrend, but exactly like I said, today was basically reversed on me. But I thought it was going to continue and keep going down. I'm down 322 on the day. No big deal, I'll get it back tomorrow. But that was my trading today, y'all. Hopefully y'all's was a little bit better and made some money. It's whatever, we'll get it back the next day. But I'm gonna get back to learning some more cunts, and we're gonna get better and better by the day. I'm out, bitches.